Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find the Sakabambaspis in Abyss Roblox. So this Sakabambaspis is arguably the most iconic and also elusive creature in Abyss Roblox. So here I'm going to break down the exact spawn zone and also the required bait and the gear you need to land this ancient beauty. So first, for the location, you can just teleport to the sunken vaults first. So this is where the Sakabambaspis can be found. But for the exact location, so let's go out first. So from this area, you can just here go left, and this is the area where the creature usually spawns. So you can just find around here. If you just or don't know how it looks like, you can use the radar in here to find the Sakabambaspis. So there's no the Sakabambaspis in, I think this one. Oh no, so you can just find in this exact location. So I got it, I caught it too here in these exact locations. But you need to also be careful because there is a predator around here. And for the gear that I use, I'm using the Marfet's treasure gun and also the lost spirit too. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.